Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be another video of a Mia Secret acrylic haul. This is my first time doing a voiceover, so I'm hoping it all just goes smoothly and I hear it back and it works fine. But this is the package of a 6-color set, the Aladdin Aladdin Collection, sorry, and this one also includes my replacement acrylic brush from the last haul that I did where they sent me the wrong brush. They sent me the proper brush in this package for free. So I'll get it open and we'll have a look at the colours that I got. I'll quickly elaborate on these brushes. My last video I had ordered a size 10 brush and I believe they sent me a size 8. I think it says 8. No, a 6, sorry. In the duo brush set. They sent me the second one back for free. It's much bigger and thicker and I'm really enjoying using it. It's actually a really nice brush. I've used it a couple of times already and I'm really liking using it. It's a nice brush. I'm glad that they sent me the other one. I'll quickly just leave this section of the video in. I noticed with the Aladdin collection that 3 of the colours I thought looked similar to ones from the Sweet collection, and when I undid the pots, I feel like they look just like a shimmery version. At the end, I'll show you a comparison where the Aladdin collection is a darker, non-shimmer version of these 3 colours. They are quite similar, but just darker. As usual, I paid around the same price, roughly $25 for the 6-color set from my same favorite seller on eBay, whom I've never had issues with any of the Mia Secret stuff I've purchased. Their seller name is Best Beauty Products, and they're always really great to deal with. The postage is always the same. It's always well packaged, and I'm obviously loving Mia Secret because of how many videos I've made about it. I'll just get on with the swatching now. I might speed this part up and you can see some of the application like my usual videos, and then we'll finish up. I didn't film the last 2 colors that I did, the dark blue and the pink, but these are the finished swatches here. As usual, super easy to work with. I'm really glad that I bought this set. This is probably my favorite one so far. I love it that the dark colors were actually really opaque. I haven't done actual nails with these yet, but I look forward to using them. I think they're absolutely beautiful. But I will include some pictures of the swatches at the end. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.